Well, the thing is, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, my name is Amber with the Ramblin' Richardsons, and it's been a busy couple of months, and I know I've been slow to upload, so thank you guys out there being patient with us, and thank you for also watching our videos. It doesn't cost anything for you to do, and it helps our channel tremendously. So I keep forgetting to film these intros and outros apparently for a lot of the stuff that's going on, because we've just been going and going and going. So we're going to the Austin Zoo. Now, the Austin Zoo is not like other zoos, and I will show you what I mean by that in our next video. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because we will get into a real zoo and it's real cool, so stay tuned. But anyways, Austin Zoo is 100% rescue animals, and it is a nonprofit. So it is, it's not like other zoos. It's all outside, all walking outside, and there's not any air conditioning really at all. But I'm telling you what, Austin Zoo, definitely a cool little place to go. You can rent a stroller, go see the animals, you can feed some of the animals and stuff like that. So go down there and like and subscribe. Get over here, like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you never miss any of the videos that we post. And we're gonna take you to the Austin Zoo with us. Let's go. Yeah, all right. Here we go, ladies. Ready for the zoo. All right, yeah, it's okay. I hear the peacocks. Yeah, we're gonna see peacocks. Come on, baby. Yeah? You wanna see that? Okay. Oh, geez. Wolf. That's crazy. That's the Austin Zoo. I think I may have missed some clips here and there because I've been utilizing my new products that I've gotten, and a new vlogging camera, and now we have a drone, which I will also show you in another video, so make sure you stay tuned for the other videos to come, because we have a lot more content to push out. We've got museums and other zoos and drone footage and all sorts of cool stuff. But that was the Austin Zoo. We went for Lion's birthday just to have a good time and hang out with her godmother. So appreciate you watching this far. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, life is about the journey, not the destination. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace.